Kia ora, I'm Cam from the Gene Swainson Foundation, and we call Wairoa home. Can you help us make a new game called Hyperlife to teach our next generation about nature, sustainability, and the importance of reforestation efforts? This is Owen. He can tell you how else your donations can help us.
It's not always practical to bring our students to the bush to learn the knowledge of the wilderness. We are bringing the knowledge to the classroom. But to do so, we need your help.
We are collaborating with Trees That Count, so that your donation not only connects your children to the digital world, but to the natural world as well. Learn, restore, protect.
Thanks, Owen. We want your help to make this fun, engaging, but educational game.
Students and children will learn New Zealand native flora and fauna and the importance of reforestation and protection of our ngahere. The learning will be curriculum aligned that will make it easier for teachers to use it in the classrooms. We have 15 different donor options.
Thank you for considering our fundraising project.